We want to find the general solution to the differential equation dy dx is equal to y over x, where x and y are both greater than 0, giving our answer in the form y equals f of x. The equation dy dx equals y over x is a particular type of differential equation called a separable differential equation. The reason it's called separable is that if we treat dy dx as a fraction, we can always separate so that everything that involves a y is on the left of the equation and everything that involves an x is on the right. So here the y can come underneath, and so we get dy over y, and the dx can come over to the right hand side as dx over x. Once we've separated, we must put integral signs around both sides. The integral of 1 over y with respect to y is log y. We have no need for a modulus sign here, since we're told in the question that x and y are both positive. Integrating dx over x gives log x, and of course we need a constant. But since the constant can be anything, we could rewrite the constant as log a. If we do this, we can then use our knowledge of logs to make log ax on the right hand side. And if the log of this is equal to the log of this, it follows that y must be equal to ax. This is called a general solution, since a could take any value.